Yarugo. Say cheese.
What cheese?
네, posso.
Look, you're not cool.
Going to see other Zangwa.
Yes.
Huh?
Somewhat.
A working place.
We came to winter tour to go and visit Ezengwa's first daughter in her working place. Ezengwa and I used to live in this city before. And it was cool to take the kids around.
No, dit is Frans. No.
To make this interesting for Niergo as well, Ezengwa went to hide. But the boys couldn't stick to the secret, and he found him very quickly. After this little walk, we were ready for some drinks.
Winter tour.
And finally headed to the bar where Ify was working. The kids ordered their drinks, without alcohol, of course. And Ify was happy, showing off her skills.
Thank you. Ezengwa. Cheers.